Today we're heading out to the Sycamore Creek OHV area, and we parked our vehicles in a staging area, Bush OHV staging area just north of Bush Highway and Highway 87. After we offloaded our buggies, we left the parking lot, went east, then we turned north and did our first water crossing, shallow water on the Sycamore Creek. And we just continue exploring some of the trails out there, so many trails. And we stopped along the creek bed, Sycamore Creek, and had lunch. And we just followed some more trails, heading back towards the eventually parking lot. Got the drone out, did some work, and we ended up in the parking lot, did 18.6 miles.
It's February 27th, 2024. We're just north of the Bush Highway, Highway 87, and I guess they call it the Bush OHV staging area. A lot of people out today.
You'd like to know the story on this pickup truck that's all burnt out. Gonna have to check our first water crossing and we're gonna get stuck in the mud.
Apache helicopter fly low down the canyon. Pretty cool.
There were a lot of neat rock formations throughout the area.
Well, we're going to stop and have a little lunch break. That's a tall mountain there.
And we did 18.7 miles.